Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today it's my pleasure to show you a 2019 Harris Float Boat Cruiser 230. This has a length overall of about 23 feet 6 inches, and the tubes themselves are 22 feet long. As you can see, this boat is optioned in black sapphire, and it does have a titanium silver accent. It's powered by a 150 Mercury outboard motor, has a very spacious swim platform, and a full stainless steel swim ladder. This boat is great for a number of different things. Certainly entertaining with your family. There are cup holders all over the place. This has a capacity of 12 to 14 people. This is a center walkthrough. It also has dual helm seats, so you and a partner can both be in on the action. It does come with a cover. It is a snapless cover. As you can see, loungers on all four corners. And if you look underneath all of these seats, you'll see storage. And the key about that storage is that there are no cloth, no carpet, nothing that can get and stay wet and end up making your boat smell mildewy or moldy. Now the important stuff at the helm, first thing you probably saw, it does have a Simrad Go 5 chart plotter and fish finder, and right next to that is a Fusion stereo system that does have all of the options of a modern stereo system, Bluetooth and all that connectivity. You have all kinds of digital and analog displays, and both of these helm seats are the Ultra Luxe high back seats. Overall, a great boat. Bring your friends, have all kinds of fun out on the water, plenty of room, plenty of power. If you have questions on this boat, please feel free to call us here at MarineMax. My number is 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock, wishing you a great day on the water.